Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, today our topic is 10 stupidly easy ways to make money without any skills. So before we started our video, make sure that you subscribe my channel so you can get the latest videos. Let's get started. These sites allows anyone to earn extra cash while watching the kids flipping through commercials or doing homework. Here's a short list to help you get started. Number one is the book scouter. Here's one perfect for students for avid readers. Book Scouter is a website that allows you to sell your used book and textbooks to highest paying site. Simply enter the ISBN number of any book and you will instantly be shown a list different prices from about 40 books buyback sites. Choose the one that pays you the most and sell your book to them. Number two is the Rakuten. You might have seen this on TV commercial. Rakuten is slowly becoming one of the biggest cashback sites. Basically, you earn a certain percentage cashback if you shop through them. Microsoft Rewards. You search online, don't you? We will do perhaps multiple times a day. Well, now you can earn free gift cards just by doing that. Sign up and bring rewards for free. Then search as you normally would. For every search you perform, you earn a certain number of points. Once you have enough points, you can redeem for gift cards, meal discounts, and even airline points. Number three is Fat Wallet. Fat Wallet is one of the oldest cashback sites offering some of the highest cashback percentage on some of these stores. You can earn up to 4% cashback for shopping through eBay, up to 6% through Group on, or even as much as 27% through Angie's List. Number four is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is what you would call a total reward site, where you earn reward for pretty much everything you can do online, anything from shopping and visiting websites to take surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. Here are some of the kind of offers you can complete to get some quick cash, and that's not all. They constantly add new earning options. Please, they offer sign up bonus as well. Sign up today and get a $5 sign up bonus. User testing. What could be easier than visiting a website and then telling the site owner what you think of their site? And the amazing part is that you get paid for testing website. Number six is the Swagbucks. Who has not heard of Swagbucks by now? Just in case you have not, Sub is one of the most famous online reward sites, so famous that they have been featured on many media outlets such as ABC's Good Morning America show, like Inbox Dollars, SB will pay you revisit, and the website of their sponsored and participate in activities like shopping, surveys, and more. They use their own form of currency called swagbucks, which can be converted into real cash. 7 Mr. Rebates, another cashback site. This one of gives you 12 just for signing up, which is free of course. There have a low $10 minimum clear threshold for cashing out. They send you a check every time you hit that $10 mark. Bota. Not of all purchases are made at department stores or occasion sites. In fact, the majority of our shopping is related to food and grocery items. This is where about a science. It gives you cash back for you every day. Purchases like when you will buy eggs or bread. This is perfect for new moms or parents who are trying to save to their children college fund with a promise you can earn cash back through over 850 popular online shopping partners, and then the money generated is deposited into a plug savings service. This is one of the easy as it gets, although some of us may take issue with the privacy situation. Here is how it works. Install their free app on your computer, go out about your day. That's really it is. It's basically leverages your system is idle resources to test the performance to many of the world's are most popular websites. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe my channel. Also like my video, so you got the information on our videos. So thank you so much, guys. Goodbye.